Hello everyone, and welcome to day 5 of our challenge. Today we're going to be practicing box breathing right next to a babbling brook. So if you're ready, go ahead and roll out your mat or find a comfortable seat or lay down, and let's get started. First, make sure your spine is lengthened, shoulder blades are pinned towards the back, chin is gently tucked in. Then make sure the core is relaxed to allow for freer breathing. And from here, take 1 or 2 deep inhales and long exhales. Begin to settle into the practice. Box breathing works to relax the nervous system by slowing down our breathing. We'll be inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 4 seconds, exhaling for 4 seconds, and holding for 4 seconds at the bottom to make a perfect square or box. When you're ready, let's begin. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowing it down a little bit. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Keep it going. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale and release the breath. Take a moment, couple inhales and exhales, and we'll repeat again, but this time we'll increase the box even further. Good. When you're ready this time, we're going to go for 6 on each side of the box. Here we go. When you're ready, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Good job. Release the practice. Take a couple of deep inhales and exhales again. You can begin to move and open the eyes. And we'll finish there. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you're feeling completely relaxed. Here are a couple bonus little bloopers of my dog getting me completely soaking after that relaxing practice. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6.